Hello beautiful friend and welcome back. It is time for clue number 3 of our year-long mystery crochet along Connote. So far in this project we have worked some beautiful texture, we have some amazing color work, and now we're adding in these really fun cluster stitches along with some gorgeous stripes. Who doesn't love a stripe? I love a stripe. So this pattern is continuing to grow on itself, each stitch adding to the last and creating a beautiful story as you go along. Oh, and I did want to mention, if you're new or you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can still join our mystery crochet along. So we're going to put the links below for you to the yarn, the pattern, as well as the Ravelry forum for this, and you can join at any time. We are having monthly prizes, we're having big year-end prizes, so it's never too late to join us. This clue is all about self-acceptance. I believe when we truly learn to love ourselves and accept ourselves just as we are, with all of our quirks and our flaws, our mistakes that we've made, feeling like we lack confidence, like all that stuff, when we choose to let go of all of that, including negative self-talk, I really feel like our lives begin to change. When we are able to offer that for ourselves, it opens up the space so that we can offer it to other people. And it just allows more love and more openness and more creativity to flood into our lives. So to work this clue, you are gonna need some yarn. If you are working our Radiant Fairytale palette, you are gonna need Hot Paris Roses, which is a juicy, yummy, vibrant pink. It makes me wanna chew bubblegum and go rollerblading, but I totally can't rollerblade. And if you're opting for our Tranquil Dreams palette, you're gonna need Inkling, which is a calming taupe neutral. Also, for either palette, you are gonna be also using last month's color in this month's clue as well. Be sure to hang on to all of your extra scraps, all of your leftover yarn from the previous clues, because you never know when you're gonna need it. Let me show you how easy it is to work these adorable little clusters. For our 5 double crochet cluster, we're gonna start with the yarn over, and then go ahead and insert your hook into the stitch indicated, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then you're just gonna yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and we're gonna do that 5 times. So yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, that's twice, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, that's 3 times, yarn over, insert into the same stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on your hook, go ahead and yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, and then give a little chain 1 to finish off your little cluster. And there you go. Have a marvelous month, and I will see you next month with clue number 4. Bye!